Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for this video we are going to study about addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions or rational expressions. So for this topic we must apply our knowledge of addition of fractions and how to find the least common denominator or the least common multiples. Okay, so for our example number one, we have 5 over a plus 1 plus 4 over 3a plus 3. Now observe that we can factor first this denominator of 3a plus 3. Okay, so we can factor it first. Okay, 5 over a plus 1, okay, plus 4 over 3. The common factor of 3a plus 3 is 3. And then quantity times a plus 1. Okay, so notice that we have a plus 1 here. Wait, we have a plus 1 here, and then we have a plus 1 here. So all we need to do is to multiply by 3 over 3 for the first term. Okay, right? So that we can have the same denominator of 3 times quantity a plus 1. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus, okay, so we have 4. Sorry about this. So we have 15 plus 4 is 19 all over 3 times quantity a plus 1. And this is our final answer. Okay. Next. Okay, next example, we have x plus 2 over 6x minus 42, okay, minus x minus 3 over 5x minus 35. Okay, so observe that we can still factor this 6x minus 42 and their greatest common factor. Okay, let's factor it first. Okay, 6. Then we have x minus, so 42 divided by 6 is 7. Okay, so let us check. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times negative 7 is negative 42. So copy the numerator. Then we have minus. Okay, so common factor of 5x and minus 35 is 5. So we have x minus 7. All right, so x minus 3. Okay, so what's the next one? Okay, so observe that we have 5 here. The second term has 5 and the first term has 6. So we can multiply this by 5 times 5, 5 over 5, sorry. And then the other one is 6 over 6. All right. Okay. So we have 5 times quantity x plus 2 minus 6 times quantity x minus 3. Okay, so 5 times 6 is 30. Then we have x minus 7. Okay, so let us multiply. We have 5x plus 10 minus 6x, 6x, negative 6x plus 18. Okay, all over, we have 30 times x minus 7. Okay. Next. Sorry about this. Yeah. Okay, next one. So we have, let us regroup first. So we have 5x minus 6x plus 10 plus 18 over 30 times x minus 7 equals, so 5x minus 6x is negative x plus how many? Positive 28 all over 30 times quantity x minus 7. Okay, and that's our final answer. All right, next one. Oh, sorry. Okay, next example. We have 8 over x squared minus 9 plus 2 over x minus 3. Okay, so we can factor this x squared minus 9. We have 8 over x plus 3 times quantity x minus 3. Okay, okay, plus 2 times quantity over x minus 3. Okay, so we have x minus 3 here, we have x plus 3 here. So all we need to do is to multiply this second term, the second term by x minus 3 over x minus, sorry, plus. Okay, please wait. Okay, so we have all over x plus 3 times quantity x minus 3. Okay, so we have 8, okay, plus 2 times x plus 3. Okay, so we have 8 plus 2x plus 6. Okay, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is positive 6. Then all over x plus 3 and x minus 3. So our final answer, we have 2x plus 8 plus 6 is 14 over x plus 3 times quantity x minus 3. Okay, or you can factor it if you want. We have 2 times x plus 7 all over x plus 3 quantity x minus 3 times quantity x minus 3. And that's our final answer. Okay, and that's all for today. Thank you so much. This is Konkru TV. God bless you all.